Welcome back to IC Trading Concept. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. Let me know that if the voice is okay, everything is perfect. Let me know that, okay? Before starting this price action reading, I need to be confirmed first that you can hear me perfectly. At the same time, make it 30 likes before starting the reading of price action. I need 30 likes. Before 30 likes, I'm not gonna start to talk. That's for sure. Top step live TV trading. Start your appeal. Okay. Yes, it's clear. Thank you, Catalina Hugo. Hey, Sebastian, how are you, brother? FX, thank you, brother, for confirming that. So now, are you a Topstep account? Yeah, I have. I have two Topstep account, and I had a reset, so I took another account. So if I can complete that, then I will blow my 50k account. Then I will have 150k account and 200k account. Right now, I have 150k account. I have a 50k account. I have completed 100k account. Didn't take the express account yet, and just got the reset of 100k account. Another one. Yeah, that's all. Hey George, how are you, brother? Martin, hey brother. Lucas, hey brother, how are you? Bearish 930. Let's see. We will wait. Okay, we will wait. I just waiting. I'm just waiting for 30 likes. I can see 25 likes, so I will. I need 5 more likes. Then I will start. To be honest, man. Mac, hey brother, how are you? You're new to my channel. I didn't see your name before. Welcome to my channel, brother. Stock trades. There is a unicorn on 15 minute. Okay. I think you are talking about this breaker, maybe something like that. This breaker inside this fair value gap. Yeah, you're right. This is a perfect breaker. I am not going to argue with you. If you would love to go with this one breaker as your breaker, I agree with you as well. So this guy and that guy, both of them are breaker. But I have a different plan actually. Okay, I got 33 likes. Thank you for giving me that likes. Thanks to all. Okay. Uh, Cost Costanja. What's up, brother? How are you? Civil engineer. Hello, brother. How are you? So are you get 70% discount reset? Yeah, 75% discount reset. 75%. No up. Okay. Swag, which one you are talking about? Are you talking about this one or that one or that one? I don't know which one you are talking about. Can you tell me the time? 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. So that will be here. So this one. Are you talking about this one as a breaker? No, I am not agree with you. If you are talking about this one as a breaker, I am not agree with you. Or this one 30 30 here. This one as your breaker? No, I'm not agree with you. If you are talking about this one as your breaker, no, I'm not agree. How I can get 75% discount? There was a fire drill in Top Step TV last day. Okay, I asked for that. I was in live over here, so some of my brother actually told me that uh, there is the discount. Okay, hey Tito, what do you want to send your screenshot with trades? Yeah, you have to send me that to my Twitter. So if you have that, just send me over there. So I got some I mean, I got some message from you guys. Thank you for giving me that setup. So one, two, three, four, four, five, five. I got five screenshot. Five. I got a screenshot from 5 people. Thank you for giving me that screenshot of your setup. I really appreciate that. Okay, Leah, you have to send me that screenshot to my Twitter. Okay, so when 5 5 and 5:15 a.m. breaker, is that from today? Low, high, lower, low, high, low, low, high, lower, low. What you were talking about actually? 5 and 5:15 a.m. breaker. 5 and 5:15 a.m. breaker. 5, 5:15. Okay, this one you are thinking this is the breaker. How? Low, high, lower, low, lower, low. I mean, if you're looking about the breaker around this area, okay? If you are looking for breaker around this area, I'm not agree with you. If you look for any kind of breaker over here, I am not looking for breaker over here, okay? To be honest, if you look for here the breaker, I agree with you. I mean, this candle is a perfect breaker. If you would love to go with this candle, I'm also agree with you. But here, if you look for the breaker over here, no, I'm not interested to see the breaker over there. Is the discount still there? No, it's not there. They actually how to explain? Can anyone explain how to get the fire drill from Top Step TV? Can anyone please explain that to the chat box? That will be really grateful to me. I mean, helpful for me because I want to explain the price action first because around 9:30 I have to look for the setup. So please, if anyone can, please explain the how to get the fire drill from Top Step to the comment box. Thank you. Thanks in advance. Okay. What is the best regulated broker for personal account to trade futures, bro? It depends. If you are from USA, then for me the best is AMP. If you are from USA, but if you are outside of USA, then there is no broker which is perfect for trading future. No broker for personal account. No broker. Simply no broker. Okay. So let's go to the price action first, and then I will talk about something else. I mean later. Let's start from the daily chart. So from daily chart, you can see this is today's candle. This is the last week low. This low is the last week low. If market can go below that low, I'm no more bullish. If market can go below that low, I'm no more bullish. I'll be bearish maybe until this line or that line. Until any of this line or maybe until this lows, I'll be bearish. I will know I don't I won't be, you know, oh man, what happened to my English? If market can go below that low, last week low, then I will be bearish. I want to look for any buy setup. Until market is above that low, I'm bullish. Okay. See, this is the candle from Friday, and if price can go below that low, I'm perfectly okay because then I will see the manipulation will happen today. Tomorrow I want to look for the manipulation. Instead of that, I will look for some kind of last fair value gap or entry fair value gap to go up. That I will see. If market fail to go below that Friday low, I'm also absolutely perfect with that because then I will see this is the accumulation and tomorrow I will expect some kind of manipulation. Right now, I'm just thinking from the daily chart, market is going higher. It is going to clear the buy sell liquidity from here. This is the all-time high, okay? So that's my target until now. I will change my bias if I see market went below that low, this swing low, because this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. This low is valid for shifting market structure. I don't want to see any bearish market structure shift. I would love to see market will go higher. That's all for daily chart. Let's go to hourly chart. So from hourly chart, you can see this is that low from the last week. This is the low. Market has made relatively equal highs over here. This is that all-time high. Market went higher, fall back. It is just trading this area. I mean, this is the fair value gap and this is the new week opening gap. Right now, price is at the new week opening gap. So this new week opening gap should hold the price. It should hold the price. Then market should expand higher. If it would love to go lower, take those lows. I'm perfectly okay with that. But I will wait. Okay, I am not interested to take sell. I'm only interested to take buy. At the same time, this is the non-farm payroll week. So yeah, if you can avoid this week for trading, that's the best option. That's the best option. Still, I will try to engage into the market, and I'll try to take some profit from here. Okay, let's go to 50-minute chart. From 50-minute chart, you can see this is that new week opening gap, the 50% of that new week opening gap, and just this high and that high, they're relatively equal highs. In my opinion, the most obvious liquidity, because that high has taken by that high with a shallow run. So if I see the shallow run, that is called the obvious liquidity. So right now I have this obvious liquidity. I have that liquidity from hourly chart, and sorry, actually not hourly chart. From hourly chart, I have this liquidity and all-time high over here. I guess, yeah, this is the all-time high. I have a lot of buy side liquidity over here. If I look below, I don't see anything except this little consolidation area. Yeah, obviously market can go below, take those, but market should not go below that line. See this line, market should not go below that line. If it went below that line, I'm no more bullish anymore. Okay, I will be bearish. As I told, I'm not interested to take sell. The reason is this new week opening gap. Until price is inside this new week opening gap, or maybe little below of that new week opening gap, I'm expecting that market is going to reverse anytime. At any time, market is going to reverse. Okay, so that's why I'm not looking for sell. I will look for only buy. If I get any opportunity, I will go for buy. Let's go to 1 minute chart. This is the 1 minute chart, and from 1 minute chart, you can see this is that shallow run. From 15-minute chart, that buy side liquidity. This is little consolidation or plain buy side liquidity. Over here, I have this buy side liquidity, and finally, I have that buy side liquidity, all-time high over there. Okay, so I have only the buy side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity. Now I would love to talk about something about here. The guys who send me the screenshot of that setup. Okay, there was a setup. You send me the screenshot from there that you are interested to take buy. Now I'm not going to correct you. Obviously you saw something and you should go for that. But as I told you, no entry is valid from before 9:30. Okay, before 9:30 no entry is valid. If you, even if you see a perfect setup, you should not go for that. So this is the rules. If you break that rules, it's gonna be, it's going to hurt you. Okay, to be honest, trust me man, it's gonna hurt you. So if you can, please remember this. Before 9:30, not try not to take any entry. If there is a news around 8:30 and red folder news, then maybe you can take some kind of entry depending on that news, depending on that volatility. But if there is no news or just simply a simple day, don't take any entry before 9:30. This is forbidden. Okay, I just keep telling you this, and that's the rules you have to follow. Every single time you will see the setup, you should not go for that entry. Please don't 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 just break the rules, man. That's my request. Okay, right now I'm expecting the higher run, so that's why I marked 50% of that week. I will see if the excuse me, if this consequent encroachment can hold the price or not. If it can hold the price and then market start to go higher, I'll be very happy to take some kind of buy after 9:30. If it is broken, then I will expect market will reach until the consequent encroachment of that new week opening gap. After that, I will look for another buy setup. If it is broken, then I will wait until price reach over here, or there is a lower quadrant 25%. So I will try to catch some buy from there or maybe around here. Okay, all I'm looking for buy. When I will look for sell, it will depend. If market is inside this new week opening gap after 9:30 and it gives me some kind of perfect setup, then I will look for sell. For example, if I get a setup here for something like this, maybe there is a buy side taken, this swing low is valid for shifting market structure, market has been shifted, there is a fair value gap, I will look for a sell over there until consequent encroachment. Okay, I'm not gonna hold it until here. I'll hold it until that consequent encroachment. For example, market went lower, it do something like this. Okay, taken the liquidity, then give me another market structure shift. I'll look for a sell from there until that new week opening gap. If I look for sell, I have very small rails. You can see from here to here, 19 handle. Again, here to here is 19 handle. Okay, so yeah, I have the range for 19 handle. Outside of that 19 handle, I have nothing. That's why selling setup is really difficult for me, but buying setup is perfectly okay for me because I have this buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity here, here, and over here. At the same time, I was extremely bullish, and I told until price is above the new week opening gap, I'm extremely bullish. I don't look for the narrative. But when market actually came here, it's broken, so I'm gonna remove it from my chart. When it's broken and market actually came inside this new week opening gap, I better look for the narrative. That means Monday will be the accumulation day, Tuesday will be the manipulation, Wednesday and Thursday market will go higher, Friday it is going to reset. Okay, so that will be my expectation from here. Right now I'll just let it go. I will see how it goes and how far it can go. That's all I'm just looking for. Again, whoever frame your trade around that area, okay, I'm not trying to judge you, I'm just telling you the fact. As I told, I don't care how beautiful the setup is over here, you are not allowed to take that entry before 9:30. Before 9:30, don't take any entry. Trust me, man, it in a longer term it's gonna help you. But yeah, in sometimes you will see this entry work perfectly and give you the run. Most of the time you will be chopped up, you'll lose lot of money over there. Okay, this thing. And if you are with me in my Twitter, you have seen already that I have taken a sell over there to that last fair value cap. When this actually I will explain everything. Okay, that all the last fair value cap over here around 7, I took a buy here. Okay, to be honest, I took a buy when it tapped to the last fair value cap, then I got stopped out. When I got stopped out, I took resell. Okay, just I took sell when this candle came here. I just took sell, and my target was the 50% of the 15-minute candle. I mean 15-minute fair value gap. I just remove it from my chart because market actually came to that new week opening gap. So I removed the 50% fair value gap from my chart because I don't need it anymore. I have this clean new week opening gap. So that was the sell from the 7 a.m. kill zone, and I took a buy here when market went above, got the market structure shift. There was a buy, and I targeted this equal highs, but I actually got stopped out here. Okay, so yeah, I got stopped out over there around that area. Sorry, is it? Yeah, is it? So I took a buy here, I got stopped out here and here. So there was two stopped out over there, but finally I managed $1,100 something like that to my small account. I had near about $577 loss from last week. I just mitigate my loss with some profit. I'm happy with that. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Okay, hey Tito, can you please teach us all of your entry model? Robinhood, all of my entry model? Oh, it's gonna be very difficult. Okay, to be honest, I would love to explain the first travel cup as well because I have 12 minutes left. Before 9:30, I would love to show you this entry. To be honest, I wasn't here, so I didn't participate to that entry when I was in the market. I mean, in front of my chart, it was too late, so I wasn't able to catch that run. But there was a first parallel cap entry. The way I actually explained the first parallel cap entry, this was over there. Okay, so let me show you that. Let me remove it here. This parallel gap is from 15 minutes, so this is the 15-minute last parallel gap, but at the same time you can see this is the entry parallel gap from 1 minute chart. So this is the entry parallel gap from 1 minute chart, and this is the last parallel gap from 1 minute chart. As price didn't just touch the last parallel gap, so I'm not going to mark the last parallel gap. I need either the entry parallel gap or the last parallel gap to trade. So this swing has traded the entry parallel gap. Now this swing came back again to that. Let me remove it from my chart. So this swing trade that parallel gap, then price come back again to that area, but it failed to take that high. Okay, it has just failed to take that high. So over here, oh man, just I'll just put it over there. Okay, So it failed to take that high. At the same time, it has taken every swing high. Okay, there is no swing high left which has not taken. So that was the swing high which has been taken, and but failed to take the highest high when market is inside the 1 minute entry fair value gap. When it happened, I have to look for the first fair value gap. So there was the first fair value gap over here. You can see this is the first fair value gap. From there, you have to wait until a body close below that first fair value gap. Let me make it little thicker. So that is the first fair value gap. Now the rule is you have to wait until a body close below that fair value gap. Now you can say this is the body close. Okay, this candle, see this green candle, this is the, no, that is not the body close. It opened below that fair value gap. So opening below that fair value gap and closing below the fair value gap, it's different. It opened below that fair value gap and closed at the level of the last line of that first fair value gap. So I didn't get the confirmation over there, but very next candle it closed below that fair value gap. Okay, now how many candle it takes? 1, 2, 3, almost 3 candles it takes to break that first fair value gap. So when this candle is closed, you have to take your entry that very next candle. Okay, so maybe your entry will be here. Your stop loss has to be just below the above the consequent encroachment of the last week. As you can see, this is a very small wick, so you can go for the high of that candle. Where should be your target? You will look for the entry fair value gap from the recent run. Now you can say there is the entry fair value gap. I'm not agree with you because this is a very small run, so I will better go with this one. So if you come here, you can just put your target somewhere here, maybe here. So you can just put your target over there, and you can see how beautifully it worked over there. So that was the first fair value gap entry, and I saw that, but I wasn't here when it happened. But yeah, I wasn't over there. That's the first, not fast, actually first. F-I-R-S-T, the first. So yeah, that should be the entry. And if you are overzealous, then you can go for that things. Actually, see this low. This low has taken by that low. That was a shallow run. Shallow run means the obvious liquidity. Okay, so you can see perfectly market has taken that obvious liquidity over there. So if you want to take until you hold until there, you can, but you have to take a partial when it will reach to that sorry, the entry fair value gap to that leg. This is the rules for the first fair value gap. I will make a video about that. Just need some more time. Okay, so there was an entry over there to the London session. I missed that on, so I take that on because of my trailing stop loss. I am really so bad of my trailing stop loss. I saw this is my order block over here, the middle order block over here, and I marked the 50% of that order block. So over here, the 50% of that, sorry, over here, this is the 50%. So I took one contract stop loss over there and another contract just below that order block level. I got a stripped out over here, so I missed until that buy side liquidity. I was thinking that market will reach above that buy side liquidity. Sebastian sent me the screenshot. He took that entry as well. I told him that brother, I just got a stripped out over here because of my trailing stop loss. Then I managed my entry to that line. Actually managed another sell over here, and you have seen the entry video to my uh, Twitter until the 50%. So that was the another entry over there. Okay, so that's the thing. Now over here you can see this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. That is a very nice market structure shift. There is a first parallel gap or the last parallel gap, whatever. Am I willing to take that buy? No, I'm not willing to take that buy. Why? The reason is this is before 9:30. So I don't believe this before 9:30. I have to wait for 9:30. After 9:30, if I saw this thing, I would take my entry maybe to that parallel gap. I would take that entry. As this is just before 9:30, no entry is valid. Again guys, this rule is strict. You just can't skip this rule. Before 9:30, no entry is valid. It's highly risky and you can't do that. If you miss the whole run, you should not give a shit to that. The reason is maybe you are just going to miss one buy side liquidity, but there is another buy side liquidity over here. You have buy side liquidity around that area. Okay, let me remove it. So, and one, over there. I need to keep it on there so that I don't get confused later. So there is a lot of buy side liquidity still over there, and you should not get any panic if even if you miss this entry until maybe that buy side liquidity, you miss that. So you just missed one setup. Nothing is wrong with that, okay? But you can't take a entry before 9:30. That's for sure. If you break that rule, that means you are just breaking everything I'm trying to teach you over here, okay? So if you just miss one thing I tell you not to do, and if you do that, you are just wasting your time with me. That's for sure, brother. I can't help you in that type of situation. Trust me. So over here, I'm just waiting for 9:30, and I will see what happened around 9:30. I will see it from 15 minutes chat, and I'm gonna remove this one, that one, and yeah. So overall, this is the price action, and I'm bullish until prices inside that new week opening gap. I'm bullish. Okay. There, as I explained, how can I frame a sell setup? But to be honest, I'm not interested because this is just 19 handle gap between high to middle and middle to low. Just 19 handle gap. So I'm not interested to take sell. Even if I miss everything, I'm not interested to take sell. If market can go below that low, that is the last week low, then I will be bearish, no more bullish. I will look for only the bear run. If market can go below that low, if market go below the Friday low, I'm absolutely okay with that, because Friday low is, I will see that the Monday actually did the accumulation with the manipulation. So in Tuesday, I don't need to see market went below the Monday low. I don't need to see that. If it failed to go below that low, then in Tuesday I will look for sell first, which will be below that Monday low. Then I will be bull. Okay, is it clear, brother? Get entry T2. Thank you, Shahid. I think the market will be bearish for rest of the day. Can be trends. It can be. Where is the market structure shift video, bro? Just go to my YouTube channel. I have I have already shown so many times over there, but yeah, let me show you one more time because I have 3 minutes left. If you go to my YouTube channel, from my YouTube channel, just go to my playlist. From the playlist, you will see study, okay? This folder, this study folder. If you go to that study folder, there's two video. First one is this one. You don't know what market structure is, okay? What is market structure shift? How to avoid losing trade part 2. You have to watch this video first. After watching that video and understand fully, then you have to come here, how to avoid losing trade. That is the second video about the market structure shift. So there is just two video. You have to watch both of them, one after another. Just watch this one first, then that one. Okay. Let me check the regular trading hour. Okay, so okay. Yeah, I'm bullish. Still I'm bullish, and I am not looking for sell. Okay, I'm just looking for buy. That's all. Brother, will you ever make a 8:30 a.m. video talking more about that concept? No, brother, I didn't. But I will. Maybe I will make. But first, I need to make that clear for me. Okay, I need to make it clear for me. For example, as I told last day, it respect over there. So I don't need to see this one. Should be respected today. The 8:30 should not be respected today, because it has respected Friday. Very nice way. It has respected over there. I don't want to say it will be respected today. But if it respects, nothing wrongs. But I don't want to see. So this is some kind of first thinking. Okay. So yeah. So 1 minute left for 9:30, and let's see how it reacts. Okay. Usually the market after a long weekend is going to sell. The first session after the long weekend, that means the end session, it's gonna be highly manipulated. After 3 days holiday, everyone is waiting to take entry. Okay, it's gonna be manipulated session. Market will take the sell side, market will take the buy side. It will do something like that. Most of the time it's gonna be like very choppy, very choppy. So try to avoid the morning session. That's the best option after holiday. Okay, after holiday everyone is waiting to take buy or sell now. Every single one. I'm gonna mark the new. Right here. Okay, I can see actually I marked this thing wrong. So let me make it clear. So this is the closing of Thursday. So I'm gonna mark it from there. That will be okay. Check. So this is the new week opening gap. Sorry, new just opening gap. Okay. This is the opening gap, and let's see if we can have any opportunity to take buy. Now if I get any market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity, I will be interested to take that on. Okay, I'm just okay with that. Mark the 1 minute 9:11 am candle. If it can close above that, use that as a buy opportunity. Hey bro, how are you, brother? 9:11 candle, let me check. So that is the 9:11 candle. So if market can close above it, okay, let me mark it. Why that one, brother? I mean, why 9:11 candle exactly? If you take 9:10, that would be a swing high. That was, I mean, there could be a logic, but why that one? Especially why 9:11? Let me just know that. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely valid for shifting market structure. This swing high, okay. So all I need to see if market can make a fair value gap around that area. If it can make a fair value gap around that area, I'll be interested to take buy. Oh, okay, so there is a fair value gap. That's cool. I think it's gonna broke that fair value gap. Do you consider open interest if your buy sell model? Hello, bro. Push now. Okay, 1 minute fair value gap there. Yeah, I saw it now. After clearing that, I got it. You consider open interest in your buy sell model? Absolutely open interest. If you are talking about the open interest from contract, then obviously that is hugely important. Okay, it is huge important. I also agree that candle pro trader, but I miss you. Okay, let's go drama mode on. I don't think so I'm gonna get any opportunity to take buy because market is hugely, one-sided. It's not gonna give me any opportunity, I guess. I got my market structure shift over here, but this is going to be the first fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. There is my last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. But still, you can see maybe there will be some kind of 26 handle stop loss. If it is that much bigger stop loss, I'm not interested. Take buy, okay? I will better let it go. It will depend after making this fair value gap. So after making this fair value gap, I'll just measure the entry, okay? So if I take my entry around that area, my stop loss has to be here, still 30 handle. So I'm not interested to take that buy. Even if I get any opportunity, I'm not interested to take that buy because 30 handle stop loss is huge for me. Okay, but if I target 1:1 R, then how much accuracy can be possible? It depends, Robinhood. Actually, depends how beautifully you are. You are just marking your direction. If you mark your direction most of the time accurately, then you will get maybe 80% accuracy, I guess so. Okay, it has taken the primarily buy side liquidity, and as you see, it's just extremely bullish. I'm just not interested to participate in this run. Okay, I'm just not interested. That's all. I'll better let it go. I think we just need to watch price action before 10 a.m. news. Oh, I'm thank you, Leah. Thank you so much, brother, sister. I forgot about the news. To be honest, I really forgot about the news. We have a news around 10. So yeah, we have to wait until 10. We have to wait until 10. Let's wait until 10. And still, we don't have any opportunity to take that run. No entry. For me, no entry. Now, if you just look for any other entry, like for example, what type of entry? Low, high, lower, low. This higher candle is breaker. Still, if you look for the breaker entry, you don't have any chance. Let me see from that. Okay. So this is just volatility, and I will stay in 15-minute chart because I don't have any opportunity to take the entry, and I don't have any opportunity to catch that run. Okay. Yeah, that's the move. Sizo, how are you, brother? FOMO kicks me in. Okay, that's cool, man. I mean, if you are already in the trade, maybe you are already in the profit. Let's see, this guy can hold the price, send it back, and can make another opportunity to take buy one more. Okay. Holy shit, what a run. Yeah, it doesn't run, man. Awesome run. 15-minute chart, there will be an entry. In 15-minute chart, okay. Yeah, man. If anyone just see any kind of entry opportunity for the buy, just go for it. As I told, I am not interested to take sell. But if I get any opportunity to take buy, I will go for that. No, sir, just watching price action. Okay, then your congratulations. Because when you told that FOMO just let you in, I really get upset because you should not take entry in that run. If you take the entry in that run, you are gambling. So you can't gamble because there was no entry except the turtle soup. I don't know how to trade turtle soup, to be honest. So if anyone took their entry when market was here around that area or maybe there, then that will be the turtle soup entry. But yep, except the turtle soup, there was no entry. If you just take entry in that run, you are gambling. You should not gamble. To be honest, I get hurt when you told that you are going to, okay, last travel cup is broken and market has taken that buy side liquidity. So I'm gonna remove this buy side liquidity because this is not buy side liquidity for me anymore, and I'm gonna keep this last travel cap over here. Okay, what a run, man! What a run! How many handle from here to here? 105 handle. Who is thinking that? Oh man, I missed that entry. Who is thinking like that way? Got 87 handle run from new week opening gap, brother. I'm done for the day. Congratulations, Shahid. See you in PM session, brother. See you, brother. It's a balanced price range. I don't think it's going to retrace. It's bullish, right? It's bullish. Absolutely, it's bullish. But we will see how it react. As Leah told, we have the news around 10, so I will wait until the 10, and yeah, until 10 I will wait. And still we have lot of buy side liquidity here, here, here. Lot of buy side liquidity still we have. So don't get panic. I'm not getting any panic because I know what is going to happen. I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait to make another 15-minute fair value gap to that leg. See this leg? I would love to see price will make another 15-minute fair value gap from here. Then price will come back again to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then market will go higher, and then it will give me another opportunity to take buy. Okay, so that's my thinking. Yes, yes, us lagging. Okay, me. What happened, Peter? What happened, Peter? Yes, us lagging. Okay, yes, maybe is lagging. It can be, no problem. I hope we get a retracement to enter the long. Yeah, it should give us a retracement. I mean, first it has to make a fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then market has to come back again to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then we will look for the buy setup again from the 1-minute chart. So until then, I am waiting. If market is just keep going higher, taking every level, I'll just let it go. Because this type of run happens sometimes, and you see this is very unusual. Okay, very unusual. Even we don't have the news right now, nothing. Without news, it's just hugely volatile. So it has taken that thing or not? Yeah, it has taken, but I can't remove it from my chart because I have to first I have to make sure that is it a shallow run or just liquidity taken. So if it is a shallow run, then I'm gonna mark that shallow run as my obvious liquidity, and then I will expect market will make another fair value gap over here from 15-minute chart. Market will come to that 15-minute fair value gap, then it will go higher again. If it has taken with the body close above that high, then I will only look for this buy side liquidity. See this buy side liquidity? That will be my next target. I will remove this two level from my chart. So I'm going to 1-minute chart, and yeah, so far it's, let me mark it over there. So far it's okay. The last parallel gap is holding the price. Market just make a shallow run, which is called the obvious liquidity. Okay, that's all. And I will stay over here. I took a paper. Don't don't just train yourself to catch this type of run. Don't just don't do it, brother. That's my advice to all of you. Sometimes you will be very lucky to get that run. Most of the time you will regret. That's my experience. That's what I'm telling you. You I mean, I was just bullish, right? I could just push my button by one contract, just one contract. You know, guys, that I don't really bother about my loss. I could do that, but I didn't do it because this is highly risky, and you should not train yourself to catch this type of moves, these unusual moves. And even if you watch ICT's video, you will see sometimes ICT also let this type of move go, because later you will get better opportunity. Maybe you are not going to get any opportunity, but still you should not go for this type of move. That's for sure. You have to be happy because you read the price, you are thinking that market is going higher, everything was perfect, and market actually went higher from the consequent announcement of new week opening gap. You have to be very happy with that because you were right. But you missed that entry, doesn't matter. Okay, I hope it will make some sense. I hope we get a retrace. Okay, I read your comment. I'm thinking that will I know there's more moves, but that's because now we will get consolidation. Yeah, little consolidation I'm also expecting. I mean, the first thing is not the consolidation actually. My expectation is market will make a fair value gap over here from 15 minutes. That's all I want to need. I want to see that market will make a fair value gap over here. If it come here somewhere and make the fair value gap around that area, I'll be very happy to see that, because then I will have a bigger range. So from here to here, it's near about 55 handle. If it can make a fair value gap around that area, I'll be really so happy because I will have a bigger range. But if the fair value gap happened here, it's also cool. So for the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart is holding the price. Market take that relatively equal highs, but at the same time it has made the obvious liquidity. This is called obvious liquidity. Why? This high has taken by that high with a shallow run. So if I see a shallow run, that's called obvious liquidity. So far it's obvious liquidity, but I need to wait more to make sure that it's the obvious liquidity. Okay, yeah. I took a paper. Okay, not panicked. Yes, still consolidating plus news in 20 minutes. Absolutely, Ben Cruz. That's the best psychological state, okay, of your mind. Just stay with that. I wanted to take it, but no entry. I respect you, Peter, if you didn't take that entry. I really respect you, brother. A headshot. I was in at 18495 and I took a 20 points gain. I consistently do this, get out so too early. Uh, what can I say about that? I mean, you got 20 handle at least, man. You didn't take loss. You are profitable. So near about $400 profitable. What is wrong with that, man? It's cool. Last 15-minute candle is holding. Last 15-minute candle is holding. What do you mean by that? Last 15-minute candle is holding. I don't know. What did you mean by that? The last 15-minute candle is holding. Whatever, there was a breaker over here. If you would love to go with that one, that's cool. If you would love to go with this one, that is also cool. But yeah, both of them were valid breaker. You can see market actually came to that breaker at the same time, new week opening gap, at the same time opening gap on scan and crossman, then it went higher perfectly. This candle closed over here. I would love to see a down close candle now. If there is a down close candle and can make a parabolic gap around that area, then very next candle when it will come to that inside that parabolic gap, I will start to look for a buy. If it went higher, take this buy side liquidity and that buy side liquidity, both of, I mean, if it can take this buy side liquidity, reach to that last parabolic gap, I'm not interested to take buy. I mean, I will be, until this last parabolic gap is not broken, I'm not interested to take buy. All I want to see, market is not going to take that buy side liquidity. Instead of that, it is going to make a parabolic gap. That's all I want to see. If it happens, then I will have another opportunity to look for a setup. If it take the liquidity, and I have nothing to do. I will just stay still and I will just see. First 15 minutes, okay. True, have to be happy. Absolutely, brother. You have to be happy. This time, new week opening gap didn't give entry. Not every time it will repeat. Yeah, it's true, Ketan. I agree with you, brother. Not every time it will repeat. It's absolutely right. So it has taken that high one more time. So I'm gonna put it over there. Bro, gives one video where you can show me to start to learn step by step how to look in the market every day and enter in the market in structure, because I like structure, read the charts. I have already made the video about that, brother. Just go to my study folder and you will get that. I've already made that video step by step from the beginning to the end. Can you say more why it called shallow run? Absolutely, brother. Why not? There was the relatively equal highs over here. Okay, so let me mark that relatively equal highs. So this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. Now market came here. It has taken that relatively equal highs by week. There is no body closed above that high. Nobody. When I see there is nobody which has closed above that relatively equal highs or single high, relatively equal highs or single high has been taken by week. That week didn't come until here. It just go above, come back again into the range. That is called the shallow run. If I see that this type of shallow run, I mark them as a most obvious liquidity and I mark the highest high around that situation. Okay, so this will be my new buy sell liquidity level. Okay, is it clear, brother? Like macro strategy. Yeah, Gabriel, I have already made that video, brother. You will find it to my YouTube channel in the study folder, brother. If this candle can make a fair value gap over here, let me go to the hourly chart. Yeah, and 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Okay, from 5-minute chart, mm, it's huge. Okay, first make it, let him make a fair value gap over there. Then we will see how far it can reach. Okay. Likes, reminder folks, likes is all this man asks for. Thank you. Thank you, Rakesh. Yeah, I only ask for likes, nothing else, brother. Just if you consider a like to this stream, I'll be really happy. What is shallow run? I just explained that shallow run, Nicolo. There is SMT with ES. Okay, that's cool. 7 a.m. 1 hour chart candle is my point of interest right now. Let's go for that, brother. Can you explain what was your setup for the 7 a.m. kill zone? I have already explained the setup from 7 a.m. kill zone, Toxic Bubba. You are late, brother. I don't want to go over there one more time. It will take time, okay, to explain that. So if you just after the stream you can just check it, okay. So when I start my stream, I just explained that 7 a.m. entry and also the first parabolic gap entry from the London session. I have explained both of them. DXY is up and there is SMT, yes. Okay, yes bro, okay, thanks, clear. Thank you, Fazlul. Thank you, no problem, Nicolo. What if there was just a big manipulation to upside and next we'll go for sell side? It can happen, trains. Nothing's wrong with that. It can happen. Absolutely, it can happen. Like a leaf, that's simple. Peter, you are rude, man. You are very rude. Like a leaf, that's simple. To be honest, seriously. And algorithm looking for taking this shallow or obvious liquidity. Absolutely, brother. That's my thinking, and I saw that this type of obvious liquidity never failed me. Okay, that's called my drawn liquidity. What happened again? Am I out? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Or am I out? Oh man, I'm just struggling with my load shedding, but there is no load shedding right now. I don't know why it is stuck. Yes, can you hear me? Yes, can okay, okay, you can hear me. Then I think I should reload. What happened actually? Okay. This is the shallow run. Okay, this low has been taken over here. Okay, look how it take that low. Look at this low. Okay, this low has been taken over here. Is there any body which has closed below that low? No, nobody closed below that low. So I'm gonna mark this low as my obvious liquidity. Okay, so if market can make any kind of setup for the first time, then it is going to take that liquidity. There was the first fair value gap entry over there. Also, I mean, if you find any other setup like breaker block or any kind of setup, is good for that. But here I saw only the first fair value gap setup, and market has taken that sell side liquidity. See this, that obvious liquidity or shallow run liquidity, it has been taken over there. This is the same thing over here is going to happen around that area now. That is that shallow run which I have marked as my obvious liquidity. All I need to see, market will make a fair value gap around that area from 15-minute chart. After making the 15-minute fair value gap, market has to come back again into that 15-minute fair value gap. Now, how far it will go, we will decide that after making that fair value gap. Okay, after making that fair value gap, we will decide how far it can go. Then we will see how it react. If we get any opportunity, we'll go for that. Is the trading view data is issue? You have to pay data, sir. I mean that red thing near to green dot on trading view. This one, that is called, I mean, over here, one update every 5 seconds. This is that. Okay, I'm getting the update every 5 seconds, but my data is open. You see, market is open. This is the green button. So, yep, I think it's okay with that. Whether you long bias or short bias today, I'm long, brother. BP, I'm long. Thank you guys for confirming that you can hear me. Hey, Elena, how are you, brother? Peter, and I forgot to like, so I'm leaving. Don't leave, man. Just give me a like and just come back. Okay. I think it's cool, Sijo. I mean, that's just one update every 5 seconds. When I took the plan, it's also the same over there. So I don't think so. There is a issue. There is an issue about that. What can we do now? In 1 minute chart, am I looking for any buy over here? No, I'm not looking for anything. Just nothing. I'm looking for nothing over here. All I'm just waiting for 15-minute chart. Can it make a fair value gap here? If it can make a fair value gap here, the next candle, if it is can come or reach to that 15-minute fair value gap, then I will be in 1 minute chart. I will look for a buy setup then. If it keep going lower and take the all liquidity everything, it come here. I'm not interested until this new week opening gap is broken. If market can go below that new week opening gap, maybe below all of this low, after this low is broken, then I'll be interested to take sell when this low will be broken. Until that, then I'm not looking for buy, sorry, sell. I'm not interested to look for sell. So far I can say this last fair value gap from 15 minute chart is holding the price, and market has just make a fair value gap from there. That's all I'm just watching. Okay, so I'm gonna mark this low because I will know that this low is the starting of the 15-minute fair value gap. Then I will stay in 1 minute chart. This is the low which is made the 15-minute fair value gap. So I will stay over here and I will see. No, hi. To me, I'm upset. Lol. Why you were upset, brother? Dio, you missed that big run, brother. Then congratulations, brother. I also missed that trade. Who actually took that run? Who took it? I don't know who took it. But whoever taken, I mean, if you get like my friend ICT Porter Rapath, he told that if market can close above that fair value gap, then it is gonna be bullish. Well, absolutely it worked, but I don't need to wait until that time. I just need a market structure shift over here. When I got it, I'm bullish. Either way, we don't have any opportunity to take entry. If I just press my button over there because I'm expecting market is going higher, I just press my button, I'm just gambling. I don't need to gamble. We just can wait for the setup. If it gives us any opportunity to take entry, absolutely perfect. But if you just push your button over there, you're thinking that market is going higher. All of you, we know that market is going higher. But if you just push your button, you are gambling. You should not gamble. So let's see what is going to happen. No, bro, I don't miss anything. Already backed for the day. Okay, got 80 points. Congratulations. I missed two, but I'm happy. I'm also happy, brother. Brother, no fear from market. I blow lots of accounts because I'm scared. Okay. I think you should work with your psychology. Dio, just send me the screenshot to my Twitter as I just look at my Twitter pin post. Okay, go to my Twitter, look at my pin post. I've already posted something over here. That is my pin post. So please join to my psychological challenge. Okay, and to be honest, it's absolutely free. I'm gonna give you some guidelines. I just need your time. Okay, it's not free actually. You are going to pay your time to be the strongest psychological people. I'm doing this for myself because I need some proof so that you guys can tell the future people that no, whatever I told here, it worked perfectly. That's why I want to do it. As I already explained, I have only two people right now, this Remigius and George, which I am just going to apply for them. But I need 10 more people. So please, that's all, brother. Join over there, okay? Hey, Winston Look, how are you, brother? Love Gun Fair. Oh man, I love that. News 90 seconds. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the news. I forgot about the news. So yeah, the girl Leah actually reminded me that I was thinking, okay, I missed everything. But when I remind that she reminded me that we have a news at 10. Oh man, there is 1 minute last Fabrica from 809. Can you check it from yesterday run? Let me check. There is 1 minute last Fabrica from 809. 1 minute last Fabrica from 809. Okay, maybe you are talking about this Fabrica. Yeah. So let me mark it. Okay. That's a perfect reaction from the 1 minute last travel gap. But yeah, I have this 50-minute last travel gap over here. See, this is the 50-minute last travel gap which is valid. So it's not broken. So I don't need that 1 minute, but yeah, you can see market actually rejected from that 1 minute last fair value gap. For you, that could be the extra confirmation. Okay. So over here now we are in that 50-minute fair value gap. I will look for a buy setup over here. Okay. Now I'm looking for a buy setup. I just came into this 15-minute fair value gap. I need a market structure shift. If I get any market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity, I will take that. If there is any fair value gap, okay, so I will take that one. And you can see the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, still it's holding the price. So we will see if we can have any opportunity to take buy now. All I need a market structure shift. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely okay. If market can go above that swing high, I will get my market structure shift. But all I need a fair value gap. If I get a fair value gap, I'll be interested to take that buy. It will depend actually if the stop loss is not too big. 21 handle. Man, 21 handle is see. Okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see. I did not expect this volume in Easter Monday. Mirage, nobody expect that from Monday. I always close early. That's my problem. You have to work with your psychology, brother. A strong psychological disorder you are just going through right now. There is a link to my comment membership. You will be appreciated if anyone is interested to take the membership. Okay. So yeah, I took it. I can send a screenshot. Money, I don't need the screenshot after effect. If you take it, you have to send me the screenshot beforehand. Okay. After completing the trade, you have to send me when you are going to take that entry. I need the screenshot right from there. Okay. If you send me the screenshot after closing the trade or the you have already got the move, then you send me the screenshot. I'm not interested to see that. Think of the crappy volume on Thursday, bro. Oh man, all of this run I expected in Thursday. All of this thing, whatever I have got today in Monday, I expected everything in Thursday. But it is what it is. Thursday was seriously, that was kind of price action I hate. Okay, I never saw this type of price action when even S&P has the volatility and Dow has the same volatility, but Nasdaq like this I have never seen like that way. So far you can see market has traded this parallel gap from 15-minute chart. All I need a market structure shift. If market can go little below, I mean until that 50%, that would be better for me because then I would get better run, okay, better space, take and hold my trade. I would get better space. I will just mark the 50% over here. That is the 50%, okay. What if market just keep going lower and take this sell side liquidity? What if? I'm not interested. I'm not gonna take participate into that run. I will just wait for the buy run. If I get the buy run, I'll be interested. If I don't get it, I'm not interested to take a sell. For example, this low is valid for shifting market structure. Maybe I got a market structure shift over here. This is the fair value gap, right? Market tap to that fair value gap, went lower. If you are interested, please go for that. I'm not just telling to go with me. I'm not telling that, okay? If you think market is going to fall, this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. You got the market structure shift. You have a very nice fair value gap over here. So maybe market will just tap over there, then it is going to fall. If you are looking for sell, maybe that is your setup. Go for that. I have no problem with that. I am not interested to take sell. That's all, okay? Please don't blame me if you missed the lower run or if this thing is going to fall and you miss that because I told I'm expecting higher run. So don't blame me, okay? That's why I'm just making my point clear. I'm not interested. That high is buy side. Is that okay? Which one you are talking about? That high is the buy side. Which one you are talking about, Peter? ICT says Monday is tradable. Absolutely, it's tradable. You can trade that. There is nothing wrong with that. You can trade every single day. Every single day you can trade. There is nothing wrong with that. Yes, sir, agree and was thinking about that. Thursday killed us mentally also. Absolutely, brother. There is a link to my comment box, and that is the Twitter link. If anyone is interested to join with me in my Twitter, you can just press the button or press on the link and you can join. Okay, so you can see market is falling. I'm not getting panic why it is falling. I'm just seeing this is just trading the 50-minute fair value gap. How far it can trade? It can trade until that consequent encroachment. Maybe it is going to close the 50-minute fair value gap fully. If I get any kind of higher market structure shift, I will take that entry. If I get stopped out, I'll be happy with that because I went with the perfect setup, but I got just stopped out. So that's my thinking. This is how I trade. Okay, that MSS for short, you will be liquidity. No man, it was a great run. See, until here it was a great run. No, as I told, okay, I'm not telling that to take that sell. I just told you, if you are looking for sell and you got a setup, go for that. Just don't listen to me. As I'm looking for buy, I will wait for buy setup. But if you are looking for sell, if you find a setup, go for that, brother. The high you said okay for MSS buy sell. Yeah, that's my liquidity. That's my liquidity. Okay, I have that liquidity, and I have this liquidity. I have this all-time high, and yeah, so I have lot of liquidity above me until now. One, two, three. I have three liquidity above there. All I need a market structure sheet. That's also a target of the liquidity, but still I have another liquidity over here and the liquidity over here. I don't need to hold my trade until that extreme liquidity. I can project by standard deviation for taking partial or maybe close my trade. I can do that. I don't need to hold it until here. You can see even if I get an opportunity to take into over there, it's near about $148 8 handle. I just need 30 handle in between 148 handle. Okay, so I just need 30 handle. That's all. I'm happy with that. Maybe we will have another chance to catch a setup from new week opening gap bounce. Exactly, I don't want to see that market reach to that new week opening gap one more time. I really don't want to see. If market is bullish, it should not reach until that consequent encroachment. If it is bullish, if it come to that consequent encroachment, then bounce, I'll be happy with that. But to be honest, I even don't want to see market will reach to that consequent encroachment. If market really would love to go higher, if it reach until that new week opening gap, then I'll be 50-50. Okay, if I get any opportunity to take buy, that's gonna be 50-50, 50-50, to be honest, brother. Okay, got it. Thank you. No problem, Peter. Guys, there is near about 220 people. I get 92 likes. Okay, not even the 50% likes I get. So if you think I'm worthy to get some likes from you guys, just give me the likes. Okay, just give me the likes. I only ask for the likes. And the okay, I get 6 more subscriber. Thank you. Let's see then if we can touch 4900 or not. I'm very near to 9,000. Sorry, 5, not 9,000. I'm sorry, guys. 5,000 subscriber, very near to that. And as Peter told, he's going to give the t-shirt when I will touch the 5,000. Get ready, Peter. Get ready. And all I need a market structure shift toward the buy side. That's all I need. If market just keep going higher, what I'm going to do? Nothing. I'll just see it. I'll let it go. The way I let it go over here. I'll let it go the same way over here. Bro, take a look to dollar index. It's flying. I know dollar index is flying because I have already done the uh, weekly analysis and I told that dollar can go higher, then it can fall. Now this is high resistance liquidity run. That means I'm expecting bull run for Nasdaq. I'm also expecting the higher run for the dollar index. Both of them has the same run. So I have no other opportunity. Okay, I'm not a forex trader. If I was a forex trader, I wouldn't go for the buy. I would only look for the sell. But as I'm trading the Nasdaq, so they can go the same way. There is nothing wrong with that. See, this guy is falling. This guy, Bitcoin is also falling because dollar is going higher. Okay, okay. This is the buy side liquidity. I believe that market will make that buy side liquidity, then it will start to fall. it will start to fall until that order block or that fair value gap. It will come for that. Or maybe it will just take that buy side liquidity, then it will fall. Until it take that buy side liquidity, this guy will keep doing this. Some kind of consolidation or something like that. 9,000 soon. Let's say bitter. So you said there is no good breaker for okay, offshore people to trade futures. So, okay, broker. Okay, so how can I switch to future, bro? Can offshore people use AMT broker? Brother, I miss you. The way I told you, if you are outside of the USA, then you are not allowed to trade future. Okay, you can trade US 100, but to be honest, that's totally different. Like the forex, there is a lot of manipulation, so you can't trade through them. You can't trade. There is only option if you are outside of USA, and that is top step or apex. These two platform is the only option to trade future market if you are outside of USA. But if you are inside of USA, then AMP is the best broker in my opinion to trade forex. Sorry, future. Okay, 5K, win a T-shirt, become a subscriber. Yeah, please become a subscriber and make it 5K. I don't know anybody give me any setup screenshot over there or not, but I really need the screenshot. If I get only one guy, I will take him. Okay, just one guy, I will take him because I need this. As explained to live, if anyone interested about the psychological challenge wanna join with me, you have to send me the setup screenshot continuously for 1 week. That means from Monday to Friday. I need 10 more people, so I will take the best. I will take the best. I will see the screenshot, the way you follow the rules, or I mean, if you just take outside of the session or maybe outside at the lunch hour, you take the mm, entry. I will just look them. Okay, you took an entry. Is it a profitable trade or is it a losing trade? I don't need that. I just want to see you are just following the rules or not. If you take any entry outside of the session, I will be less interested about you. But if you just take entry inside the session and that didn't work, maybe you took take an entry, there was not perfect market structure shift. I will just look for them. Was that a perfect market structure shift, fair look up trade, immediate reaction or something like that? I'll just look for them. Okay, otherwise, if it is a winning trade or if it is a losing trade, I don't care. I really don't care about that. All I need to see how beautifully you are just following the thing I told you. So I need that type of 10 people. If I don't take you right now, you will think that I will take you later. That's for that's for sure. Okay, and this is the thing, absolutely free. There is no money you have to pay for that. All I'm trying to make some people who will have the strongest psychology. Okay, so that this market is not going to beat you. Maybe you are going to beat that market. You will never break your psychology, and you will understand you are actually, that is nearly impossible to blow one account. That's nearly impossible to blow the account. You will understand that. Okay, don't worry, I will post a picture which I actually got from this guy. He actually made it for me. Where is it? Where is he? Ismail Yunus. Okay, he actually made a, what to say, I mean a photo where he has written all the rules. I mean 80% of the rules which I am gonna give you to the challenge. You are going to get that 80% of the rules to my pin post from next week. So if you are not with me in my challenge account or challenge psychological challenge, still you will be able to get that rules. Okay, not 100% but 80% rules you are going to get from there, from my Twitter. So if you didn't join me to my Twitter, please join to my Twitter. That's my request. Okay, here is the link at the rate of, sorry, username at the rate of NRT12345. Please join me over there. Also, you will get a link to the comment box after 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes you will get the link, so you can join me through that link. My funded futures works in the UK and Europe. Funded futures will work from every country, I guess. Okay, like top step and apex, they're going to work from everywhere, I believe so. Okay, because it's working from Bangladesh as well. If price breaks above, doesn't the 110 candle become breaker? 1001 candle, 1001 candle, breaker. No, it's not gonna be breaker until this parallel gap is not closed. Sorry, not that one. Sorry, I'm sorry. This last parallel gap. Until this last parallel gap is not closed by body, I'm not looking for any breaker over here. If market can go lower, closed the last parallel gap perfectly in this type of situation, okay? If it can close that parallel gap perfectly, then I will look for breaker. Otherwise, I'm not looking for any kind of break around that area. That's my opinion, brother. I mean, if you go with the rules, maybe low, high, lower, low. So that is the highest up close body close candle. So that's perfect breaker according to ICT. Though he didn't tell us where the breaker actually happened, okay? He didn't tell us that, but he showed us what is breaker. So if you just go to your market, you will get a lot of breaker. Like for example here, low, high, lower, low. This is a breaker. Low, high, lower, low. This is a breaker. Low, high, lower, low. This is also a breaker. Now, high, low, higher, high. This is a breaker, bearish breaker. So if you go to your market, you will get 1,000 breaker. But where exactly it happened, that's the theme. Okay, in my opinion, that's the most important thing. In my opinion, there is no breaker. Okay. Brother, I watch you long time and I'm charter since 2016 with ICT. I found that GAN, okay, found that GAN with ICT unbreakable. Okay, trust me, you have to have a look into it. I can time the market and I can tell market buy tomorrow. What is GAN? I found that GAN with ICT unbreakable. What is GAN, brother? I really don't know what is GAN. Okay, let's just what is GAN? I don't know, brother. You got me, bro. Thank you, Peter. I see you. I sent you the screenshot and you didn't reply. Toxic Bubba. I don't need to give you the reply, brother. I mean, I just want to see your screenshot. Don't expect the reply, brother. I'll just see the screenshot. That's all. When you send me the screenshot, I have seen everything. Whatever you look over there, I've seen everything. I've seen everything. Okay. I just didn't give you the reply, and I didn't. I don't want to give the reply. I just want to see the screenshot. That's all. Then if I think you are ready, then I will just send you the Discord link next week in Saturday or Sunday. Then you have to join. That's all, brother. You want the screenshot in private DM or to the post? In private DM. I mean, just give me the screenshot to my DM, Rahul. This is how you consider talking entries and setups on 30 seconds chart, sir. You have any experience? I never trade in my life to 30-second chart. Never ever. I mean, below one or sub 1 minute chart, I never traded. It's too fast, in my opinion. Too fast. Not everywhere they have a list for allowed countries. Some countries are banned. Oh, okay, Tamimi, I didn't know that. I thought it's actually allowed from every country because it's allowed from Bangladesh. So yeah, I didn't know that, brother. I'm sorry for that. For that information, I'm sorry. Top step doesn't allow client from Pakistan. Oh, okay. I'm sorry for that. I didn't know that, brother. I didn't know that. Is anyone knows any future perform allow from Pakistan? Apex, you can try Apex, brother. I don't know what is that. Winston Look, GAN TT. What is GAN? I don't know, brother. What is GAN? Look, brother, sell starts now until 11:10. Until 11:10, you are thinking that market will go fall. It will keep falling. So where is 11:10? Okay, let's see. But what is that? I really don't know. Took a short on ES. Absolutely okay, brother. Looking for buys? I am looking for buys. Yeah, absolutely, brother. GAN trading theory places a significant focus on recognizing the cyclical nature for financial markets by carefully analyzing the interplay of price and time. I'm obviously interested. I'm obviously interested for that. Just let me know, okay? What is that actually? If it is not against ICT, I'm interested to know about that. I'll try. I'll give it a look. That is the entry fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. I will look for the buy setup from any of these fair value gap. When market came here, now I'm fully confident to look for buy setup. All I need a market structure shift toward the buy side. That's all I need. If I get it, I will go for that. And then, okay, if it can reach until the last fair value gap, I'm gonna remove the entry fair value gap from my chart. Okay, it reached until the last fair value gap, so I'm looking for buy from the last fair value gap now. I'm gonna remove this consequent encroachment because it has broken that consequent encroachment. Maybe it's getting in optimal trade. Let's go for that, brother. To short at top as it was rejected many times on 1 minute chart. Cool, man. Lot of profit. Congratulations. Grabbed 8 handle of yes. I am happy with that. Congratulations, Winston Lock. It uses astrology and time cycles. ICT said GAN does not currently predict the market. GAN is good for swing trading commodities. Oh, okay, mid petal. Thank you for confirming that. Then maybe I'm not a swing trader, but yeah, still I will see about that and how to get that. Let me know that, okay? I just came back from watching Tamja trade. She's also having buy bias. Okay, then I'm lucky because I'm not gonna be opposite of her. Yeah, that's cool. 10-15 MSS, 10-15, 10-15, 10-15. I don't like to see that as a market structure shift because it's too far. I would love to see a swing high around here. See this fair value gap, market will come here to that fair value gap. It will make a swing high, then it went lower, then gave me the market structure shift. I would love to see that. It will be much more easier to frame my trade. Okay. Okay, Peter, did you get it, man? Look, it's too far. It's too far. Even if market come here, for example, it just came here, then you don't know where it is going to give you the entry. So you will have a huge stop loss. I don't want to see that. Just made over 5k shorting on a 100k challenge account. Okay, if you just make 5k, then you have to take a loss for 2k if it is a challenge account, because you are not allowed to take more than 3k in a day. Okay, so you have to take 2k loss now, otherwise you are gonna make more than 6k, brother. Shorted. Yeah, I mean, if you are from top step, I'm just talking about the top step. I don't know if it is from any other top platform or not. Is it not a far away the MSS in 1 minute chat? Absolutely, it's far away. That's why I told that I'm not interested to mark that on as my market structure shift. That's why I explained that I want to see another swing high over here. Then I will look for market structure shift from that that swing high. Okay. Okay, got it. Thank you. No problem, Peter. MSS after last swing high. Lol, took a loss. How did you take that loss? Let him stop trading today. No, he has to take that loss. Okay, no, it is not a top step account, brother. Just another forex platform. Oh, okay, then cool, man. I told you that from depending on that forex, I mean top step, brother. Okay, then it's absolutely okay. Check T, what OTE mean? Or OTE means optimal trade entry. Top step rules only. Apex or others doesn't have that rule. Yeah, I made it clear. If you were from top step, then you have to take 2k loss. If you are from other from, then I don't know the rules. Thank you, Protetapat. Did you catch that run, man? I was still talking about this run and I told that nobody should catch that run. But yeah, maybe there is some entry opportunity also over there. Did you take it, Prep Pro? Join to my Twitter. There is the Twitter link. So if you are interested, you can join to my Twitter. Did I get any subscriber? Okay, I get one more people. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Make it 4900. Alright. Low, high, lower, low. High, low, lower. So mitigation block. Let me check it from there. Oh, no mitigation block as well. This low is not extremely valuable for me. Took me a few minutes to change NQM to 024 on H lol. No, the BSTRD didn't retested on the next candle. Absolutely, brother. That was my point. I mean, there was no setup in my opinion, nothing. So if anyone took that entry, he was just gambling. And in my opinion, if you are gambling, then it's not good for a longer term. Not absolutely good. Do some buy sell, and your face for that will cover the loss. That's the safe loss strategy. Loss strategy, absolutely. Caesar, did you take any entry, brother? See the swing high. If market can make a swing high here, then I get a shifted market structure, then I'll be interested to take buy. If it can make a swing high from that fair value gap, the way I explained Peter. Okay. I don't want to wait until that one. I would love to see market will make a swing high here. That swing high will be shifted from that fair value gap. This swing high has traded that fair value gap. So all I need a swing high here that will be shifted. Then I will look for a buy setup. More than 250 people get 115 likes. So yeah, some people doesn't want to give me the simple likes where it is actually absolutely free of cost. Still, they are not interested to give me the likes. It's not cool. No, sir, still waiting. I'm also waiting, brother. Thanks for teaching us to be patient. Thank you, Caesar. Thank you guys because you are here. If you are not here, I will talk about myself. I mean, I will talk to myself. There will be no one else. Okay, so execution is on. I didn't take any entry yet. Oh man, take the entry, take the entry, take the entry. Now, to be honest, man, if I don't get anything perfect, I should not. I don't want to push my button. Okay. So yeah, let's see. I liked somehow. Okay, thank you for giving me that like, man. Thank you so much. So, guys, if anyone is interested about the MMXM model, I can recommend this guy, Pro Trader Path. He has a YouTube channel, and you can I mean search that to his channel. Okay, I recommend him for MMXM. I'm sorry to say, but yeah, for MMXM, he is the best in my opinion. The way he explained that, it was awesome. If anyone is interested, you can check that out. Okay, one like one trade, one like one trade. To be honest, but seriously. Okay, I would love to feel the market. Okay, so that's why I'm putting this on my chart. I would love to feel the market. Hmm. Peter, yep, habit market. Yep, habit market. Was that answer, brother Peter? No drama, see. If you want me to not to do the overtrade, then it's not gonna be fun over here, to be honest. Sorry, who is the MMXM trader? I should check out again. You can see the name Pro Trader Path. Okay, so yeah, you can search that name to the YouTube and you will get his channel. Okay, and the same profile picture over there. So you can check his channel for MMXM and you will get something else as well, which I actually don't talk over here. So that is totally, I mean, about the optimal trade entry, MMXM, then silver bullet entry, something like that. Okay, so you will get all of that from there. Celestial rework. You're you're really Mr. Worldwide. Why am Mr. Worldwide, brother? But what is there the MSS? What did you say? No man, I just as I told, okay, I didn't push my button. I would love to feel the market. As ICT told, he actually push one contract and then fill the market. Now I am not that much rich man. To be honest, I'm not a rich man. So I feel the market by that tool. I saw something, so I would love to feel the market now. That's why I put that tool to my chart, okay? To feel the market only. There is nothing else. I want to see market structure shift very soon. Otherwise, it's gonna be very disaster. I have market struct. I have market the MSS. I have market the MSS. Okay, you have the MSS. But are you looking for this swing high for shifting market structure? If you are looking for that swing high for shifting market structure, absolutely, I'm not agree with you. I'm gonna upload a trader trade today. It will be fun. Let's upload it, man. No, thanks, man. No problem, Winston. Yeah, this guy commented again. Okay, pro trader path. Feel not feel. Feel not feel. That's cool, man. Feel not feel. Nice. Takes almost at buy side. Let me check. Yeah, it should take that buy side liquidity, or maybe it is going to make that buy side liquidity. Okay, so anything, I mean, see this high and that high, they are going to be the relatively equal highs. If it make that like that way, I'll be very happy to see that. And if it can fall now, if it fall now, that's gonna be so beautiful. But if it takes that high and trade that constant cosman, then it fall, that is also cool. Okay, but I don't need to see market is falling, because yeah, I'm bullish for here, so I'm gonna see this. DXY is pushing higher. Oh, you have marked the MSS. I didn't see any MSS over there. Need MSS first. Absolutely, brother. We need the MSS. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. See this swing high? It's valid for shifting market structure. So I'm gonna mark it as a market structure shift. All I need a displacement, okay? Not something like this type of Mickey Mouse move. Not like that. Some kind of boom above that market. I mean that high with a fair value gap. If it is a fair value gap, then it will be 22 YT model. If there is two fair value gap, that's gonna our well-known setup. So yeah, index are pushing higher. Yeah, I saw it. Let's see how it react actually. How it can finish its journey over there. The best scenario is market is going to make that relatively equal highs. It's not going to take that buy side liquidity. Instead of that, it's going to fall from there. That's the best case scenario. Okay, that's the best scenario. Okay, I would have stopped out over there. Okay, learn information again on your success. Please use the following credential to access the. Okay, thank you. Punish me, bro. I took that 1 minute travel gap and formed. I don't know why I took it suddenly when I saw a green candle. That's called impatience. Okay, but it's okay. Sooner you are going to overcome that. SMT with ES. Elena. No, there is no SMT. This law has taken over here already, and this law has taken over here already. Okay, if you are looking this two in this two law, then there is no SMT. Bro, just wanna confirm if what broker you are using. It seems there is likely 30-second delay from your chart, or maybe just a signal. Okay, I'm just trading through my top step, and yeah, my stream is third, maybe not 30 second, it's near about 23-second delay. Okay, so yeah, it's delay. Okay, I did it. I mean, I don't know how to remove that delay, but if there is a delay, I'm happy with that. To be honest, I'm really happy with that. I don't want anyone to copy my trade, so the delay is okay for me. Yeah, there is a delay, brother. One entry per 20 like. Why, man? Why you are just pushing me to lose some money over here? Don't push me to lose some money over here. I don't want to lose some money right now because I was just waiting for the perfect setup, and this is the time when I'm gonna get that. So don't do that, man. But if you tell that, maybe I will get that 20 likes for one setup. I believe that because there is near about 240 people. I got 137 likes. So maybe they're going to push the like button now. Uh, or Bur KYK Die Birthday No Bur in Die Mark Sean Raid. Nice language, brother, but I didn't get anything. Okay, thank you for your help. No problem, Elena. How did I help you? I don't know. Go paper. I need to take one entry over here because I have a loss to my account from Thursday, near about $1,700 loss. I need to just take one entry. If I get one entry, then I will just change to paper money. I just need to take one entry, bro. We need to refresh your YouTube channel and it will be up to speed. Okay. Inna. Thank you, brother. Dom Nai. What is Dom Nai? Ribak? One entry, 500 subscriber. I will do that. One entry, 500 subscriber. I will do that. That's for sure. And I will take with five contract entry. There will be five contract entry. If one entry is equal 500 subscriber, I will do that. Oh man. Let's see. Even if it can touch $900, sorry, 900 subscriber, I'm gonna push my button even in this type of situation, and that's gonna be a profitable entry, I promise you. If it can touch 900, think liquidity taken first. I'm just waiting for the market structure shift. If it doesn't give me the market structure shift, I'm not interested. Push my button. It is a pause. Pause. Okay. Pause. What is pause? Okay, one per 50 likes. Come on, guys, make it. So you are here to. Oh, Prototype, what about that? That live last week. Our mutual viewers asked for the live. If you can figure that out, we can go for that live tomorrow maybe. Still waiting for your setup. Then I will join. Okay, no problem. Just wait, brother. I'm just waiting as well. Not interested to do anything right now. Okay, market has taken that low already. It came here. Let's take a look over here. Okay, what happened? Boom, market went lower. Boom, market went lower. What is going to happen next? Is it going to break everything or is it going to go higher again? We will see that. I'm not interested for the sell. That's all. Okay, there is no opportunity to look for the first fair value gap as well, because there is no 1 minute fair value gap. This is just a opening gap, so I don't have any opportunity to look for the first fair value gap. Otherwise, there was the first fair value gap set up until here, because this low failed to take that low. At the same time, it has taken all the lows. Everything was perfect, but except this low didn't trade any fair value gap from 1 minute chart. That's the only thing is missing from here, so I'm not looking for the first fair value gap. There would be a first fair value gap, and that area, that could be a first fair value gap. Okay, still we'll see how it reacts. That 5 minute gave sell entry, right, sir? I don't go to 5 minute. Yes, nice buy right now. I'm not going to go. Yes, it has taken that buy side liquidity. It should fall now. Or if it wants to go until the consequent encroachment from the daily fair value gap, can go, but it should fall now. Now this is the chance to go for up run. Hey Nico, how are you, brother? I have no money. No one listen to me. Haha. What happened to you? Glenn Blaine. I have seen some of Pro Trader Path videos, and I think he has some good video on the subject. Thanks for the suggestion. No problem. Thank you, Glenn, for making that clear. Yeah, I saw something good in him. That's why I'm suggesting him. Okay, as the way I suggest some other people like Cami Capital is live. I really suggest him because he will get fun. Okay, so if I ever see something good in someone, I have no problem to suggest you that. Jerry's wake. Dislike waiting for boom up in big chop. Let's see, brother. Now, this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure anymore. The reason is it's too far. Am I looking for buy still? Yeah, absolutely. I'm looking for buy still. After even seeing all of this run, yeah. Why? Because I have this new week opening gap, which is the most strongest opening gap, sorry, fair value gap among all other fair value gap through ICT. So this new week opening gap is the strongest one. Well, it's kind of 50-50, but if this candle close above that fair value gap, I'm gonna push my button. Again, this is my risk. I hope that nobody is going to push my button. Okay, it didn't close above. It didn't close above that fair value gap, so I am not gonna push my button. If it close above that first fair value gap, I'm gonna push my button. Not a perfect first fair value gap, but still I will try. I'll give it a try. Okay. So yeah, all I need to say, market will close over there. Feedback and was welcome if you have subbed. Thank you. 15 minute can still close inside of that gap. Okay, but first I need to see a body close above that first fair value gap. That's all I want to see. Nobody closed above that fair value gap. See, it's not valid yet. I will wait. No opportunity. Guys, if you're new, welcome to subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't give me the like, please don't forget to give me the like. I need that like. First push your button, then we will give you the like. Okay, okay. 4876. I need 24 people. 24 people more. But why so early? You have no MSS and you won't press the button for long. Why first fair value gap? That's not first fair value gap. As I told, this is not exactly first fair value gap, but I will give it a try. Okay, that's all. Because a lot of people are here. Still, I didn't push my button for so long. That's why I'm gonna push my button. But as you should wait for the perfect setup. That means market structure shift or everything. And when I'm gonna push my button, don't follow my entry. The reason is what I'm just doing, I know what I'm doing. Okay, so I don't want you to do that. I just give you the perfect way to look for the setup. How to look for the setup, I have already explained that. So don't please push your button according to my setup.